Hello everyone, you're watching RAM24.com channel, and today we're going to take apart Honor X9c. First we need to remove the SIM card tray. We use the SIM eject tool, push the tray out and set it aside. Next we need to heat the back cover to about 70 degrees Celsius or 160 degrees Fahrenheit. We're using a heating mat, but you can also use a hair dryer. And after about 10 minutes, we move on to separating or ungluing the back cover. For this we use a thin plastic film, carefully inserted into the gap between the back cover and the mid frame, and gently run it along the edge, cutting through the adhesive. As always, be careful around the side buttons, since there may be flex cables located there. On this model, the cover is additionally glued around the camera area, so be extra careful there as well. It is also best not to insert the tool too deeply, so you don't accidentally damage anything underneath the back cover, since we don't know exactly what is positioned there. In our case, the back cover is already cracked, so we need to be especially careful, since we don't know what the client wants to do with it. Keep it or replace it. So we remove the cover very carefully to avoid creating new cracks. We work as gently as possible along the seams and especially in the areas where it is already broken, so the glass doesn't spread further or shatter in different spots. At some point we can use a small amount of leverage around the camera ring area. Then we open the back cover and check that there is nothing attached to it. After that we need to cover the camera lenses. For this we use a special protective film. Please note that we don't stick the film directly onto the lenses but onto the rim around them. And you can find this type of film in most online stores these days. Next we move on to removing the screws in the upper section. We use a 1.5mm Phillips screwdriver or Phillips #30. Keep in mind that these screws are very difficult to remove because they are not magnetic. So first we'll loosen them and then we will take them out afterward. Also pay attention, one screw is much smaller than the others, so remember where it goes. Now it is better to remove the top cover. We use a tool and carefully pry it up along the edges. It is best to use a non-metal tool so you don't accidentally short anything on the motherboard. Now we remove all the screws, we'll loosen it. Then using a non-metal tool we disconnect the two battery connectors and move on to the lower section. In the lower part we also need to remove the screws, which again are non-magnetic on Honor devices and make the assembly inconvenient. Carefully unscrew them, and it is best to keep these screws separate from the previous ones. After that we need to remove the bottom cover. Before removing the cover with the speaker we need to disconnect the coaxial cable connector. Carefully remove the small cover that hides the connector, disconnect the connector on the small antenna board, take out the coaxial cable that is integrated into the cover, then pry in the correct spot, lift it up, and remove the cover along with the small antenna board and speaker, and set it aside. Next we disconnect the connector of the second coaxial cable, then disconnect the interconnect flex cable and also disconnect the fingerprint sensor connector. Now we can remove the subboard. Carefully lift it from the edge and take it out. On the subboard we have the charging port, the microphone and the SIM card connector on the back side. And now for our usual quick test, the microphone opening. The microphone hole has an L-shaped channel, it is very narrow and there is a gasket on the opposite side. The microphone itself is located on the back side of the subboard. If you try to insert something into the microphone hole, and if you even manage to do it, you will most likely damage the gasket, but not the microphone itself. In the display frame, the fingerprint sensor and the vibration motor remain. Now we move on to the motherboard. On the motherboard we disconnect the interconnect flex cable and the display cable, and also disconnect the two coaxial cable connectors. Move them aside so they don't get in the way. After that we can disconnect the front camera. It is also a good idea to cover the front camera lens with a film to keep dust and debris off. And we remove the main rear camera. Now we need to unscrew the single screw that secures the motherboard. For some reason we call it the barrel screw. This nickname goes back to older iPhones. So now we can remove the motherboard, take it out, flip it over, disconnect the connector on the back side and set aside the second rear camera so it doesn't get in the way. At the top of the display frame, the earpiece speaker remains. Now we move on to removing the battery. As is typical for Honor devices, we have brown pull tabs that are very strongly glued. They tear easily and are quite difficult to peel back without damage. We peel them back, then pull on the center tab in the middle to remove the battery. Under the battery there is a transparent adhesive protective layer that shields the interconnect flex cables. And that is it. The teardown is complete. Thank you for watching and we will see you in our next videos, either on our Telegram channel or on our website.